good.
Mabait, hindi basta-basta ikaw ay aalagaan. Minsan meron pang pa-even, pa-pro at amateur, palaro ng malalakas at mahilig sa suntukan. Dito lang yan sa second floor ng RCP building, National Highway, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City. Madali lang matakbuhan, hindi ka mahihirapan, pero sa ensayo solid na serbisyo ang bigayan. Dito sa King of Town Fitness Center, hindi ka magsisisi pag dito ka nag-ensayo. Papayag ka na, magiging healthy pa ang puso mo. Kaya dito na tayo sa King of Town, mga kiganligo. Kanligo sa King of Town Fitness Center, pwede mag-boxing, muay thai at kickboxing. May circuit training, pwede ding bodybuilding. May strength and conditioning, weight loss program pa. Fitness Center, pwede mag-boxing, muay thai at kickboxing. May circuit training, pwede din bodybuilding. May strength and conditioning, weight loss program pa.
Eight, nine.
Straight swing, get up straight, up straight, isa, straight.